The special summer school is one of the things I look forward to the most in the year. I've been attending the special summer school for the past 4 years.
Did you understand? It's very what? Simple. We have the recipes for making pawpaw. Flour, yeast, milk, sugar.
How many people wants to prove to me that they can make what I just explained? Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.
This is exactly what bead making is all about. Connection, adding two pieces of bead together to become one. For example, this I'm holding.
So now that our batter are choosing, it's time for frying. And when you're frying pawpaw, you have to make sure it's deep frying, not shallow frying.
I want to join the 3 fabrics that we have cut out. How many of you want to be a billionaire? This is art and crafts bag making class, to be more specific. So this is the practical class, and like I took you through the theory, you're going to be seeing the practical aspect of what I taught you the other time here today.
So coming here is just making me to refresh what I thought I knew before. And now I can teach some of my friends how to make it and also make money from it.
This is the outcome of the bag I was making earlier. Thank you, Special Foundation, for making me know how to do this.
I've been coming for summer school for the past 3 years. I want to use this opportunity to thank the Special Foundation, how much they are really supporting us. Thank you very much.